All right, so this is a condo, and they've got pocket doors, which actually makes sense in this home because doors would just eat up so much wall space. The problem is the existing hardware has become really sticky, so they weren't working very good. So here's the process. As long as the rails are okay, and your roller hardware, which is this is what hangs off the rail. So I'm gonna unstick these with brake cleaner, flush them out, get them all clean, and then I'm gonna use actual machine grease so that it's gonna stick for or keep them greased for a long time. And then the other thing is that as far as hanging the doors, this is what's involved. So this one,
pins are out.
So once the door stops are out, then the door can actually move into its opening and it can be removed. You can see like this stop is preventing it from being able to move all the way over. Somebody did some funky work on this. So to do this, you can see here's the slot of the door. The original door was put in as a complete door unit, so just pop the cotter pins that are holding these two leaves together. One leaf is mounted to the top of the door, the other one is on the rail sliding. And you just grab them with a pair of pliers. I'm using regular pliers. I think needle nose would actually be too thin, so I think you do need regular pliers. But you just grab them and twist them back and forth and just pop them right out. And you can use a shim or something and separate the two leaves. As far as the length of the door, these are 80-inch doors, and so that is the length that the new doors are going to be. You don't really have, depending upon how the hardware was originally done. See, there's a metal guide here, so I can't really go with a longer door. So that is what it is. And but basically the door, as long as the door blank fits the width and it's 80 inches, just attach the top, hang it back up after reconditioning the bearings, and then add stops.